Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a share on LinkedIn button using plugins. In my previous video, I have shown how to use it using custom URL, but this is a different method using plugins. Here we go. Okay, I have opened a web page from a website bbc.com. So here there is a share option and which I can share directly to LinkedIn. Same way, this is another website. It's ndtv.com. So if I click this, it's directly taken to share in my LinkedIn web page. So in my previous video, it was using a custom URL. Now I'll be showing you with the share buttons. So first go to developer LinkedIn site, just open it. So once you open it, go to doc section. So here you can see a share on LinkedIn documentation, and it have shown a different type of methods which we can use. So I have showed this one, and now I'm going to show the plugin. So this is the plugin. The LinkedIn will directly give you a button to that, and it will show the number of times the page is shared. So for example, this is 35K. Now to generate this one, just go to share a plugin generator, just open that tab. You can see they can just put the URL here which you want to create a sharer. Now in the documentation before, we can see something is specified using sample open graph meta text. So what is this actually? So if the share plugin is directly getting here, there is something named open graph meta text here. So I'll show you what is this actually. So if you want to create a URL here, so for example, I am just creating a share for this same page. Just open, copy this and just paste it here. So you can select where you want the count, horizontal, vertical, or even no count. So I'm just selecting horizontal, and if I click get code, I'll get the code of that. Okay, now the code is generated. Let me create a sample HTML file, test.html. So I have created an HTML file. Let's open it. Now I will copy the sample HTML body which LinkedIn has provided in the documents. So I'm copying that first, and now coming to share plugin where I have created my code for that. I'm just pasting that code here. Now let me save it. Oops, let me save it, and now let's try running that. No, it's not loading. Let me check the source code of that. All the things are set, and it's going to a JS file here, JavaScript. Let me click on this. Okay, the JavaScript file is not getting loaded. So for that, let me open this in another tab. Okay, JavaScript is loaded. So I'm just copying the complete URL including the HTTP protocol also. Let's paste that here. Now let me save it. Now let's go back to my page. So this is our page. Let's save it again, close it, let's open it again. Here we go, our share has come here. Now if I click share, it should no, it's not loading in my local host PC. Let's try hosting this in a web server. Okay, I have logged in my cPanel file manager of my website alukasaqua.com, and let me upload the file here. Let's see. So it's test.html. I am directly uploading, so okay, it's uploaded successfully. Now okay, the page is loaded directly in test.html. Now let's click the share button and see. Okay, the share button is working in our web domain, is not working in our local host. So if it's not working in local host, don't worry. Once you are deployed in your website, it will be working. So this is how it works. So actually, so in our page we have added something like the OG graph meta tag. So what is this actually? Now let's go back to our page which we created the sharer. I have opened the source code of that page source of that. So I have collected the data what the LinkedIn is saying, like OG title, description, OG URL and image. From here you can see here OG description is here, OG URL is here, and OG image is also somewhere here. Yeah, OG image is here. Everything is here what LinkedIn is actually saying to add in your website. So I have collected in a notepad here, like OG title is US bomber flies, this one, and OG property image is this one. So let's open the sharer again. You can see here. So OG title is directly US bomber flights. You can see here US bomber flight here. So the share is actually reading this data from the website. You can see this in this from this website. The sharer is actually reading uh, this data. So the content this is the image actually. So if I put this image in my browser, that same image should come. Yes, the same image is coming. And again what is next? Next is the content. You can see the content is North Korea tilt strength. So the same content and the description description is coming here. Okay, so what the description is coming here. So what it actually does is our sharer will go back to the URL which we have given in that create sharer page here, and what we have given here on creating that sharer, and check back to these properties, OG title properties, and generate the sharer. So if you are doing this, you are creating a sharer for your website also, just add these properties and describe your content and image path, so all it will be automatically taken by the sharer. So that's all about now the sharer using plugin. If you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll be helping you, and please like and subscribe for my further videos. Thanks for watching.